Pal, can you go in? Pal, can you pull up more?
No, he's going to back up. He's backing up. He went up too far.
Pal, why did he went up too far? So the camera's shaking. Papa, why is he not pulling up? Pal, what do you do? Pal, why is he
pulled up?
He's waiting for the driver to stop. Pal, is he?
Oh, somebody had just gone through.
Papa, can I watch that car?
Mm-hmm.
Pal, can we watch more get washed?
We'll wait here and see if somebody else comes through.
Pal, did he got the ultimate wash?
I believe that blower's staying on too long.
Pal, why is it staying on too long?
See, it's on right now, and there ain't no car there.
Pal, is it maybe broke? Pal, is it broke or something?
No, the timer would be broke if there's something wrong with the timer.
Now he's going up.
But still, it's not.
Pal, you shouldn't be pulling up. It's saying to back up. I don't see it back up. Pal, why did he pull it over too far? He has to now. Pal, how quiet is it in here?
It's pretty quiet.
Pal, why? Yeah, it's very quiet. Yeah, there's blue soap again. Oh no, there's water soap. He may get the $8 wash because there was blue soap by there. There's soap dripping. Pal, can we watch more get washed?
If anybody comes through, we'll watch.
Pablo, I can't see from here. I can't see for the camera.
Well, you'll just have to do it because this is far up that I'm gonna get. I'll pull up a little bit more.
Pull up.
All right, that's good.
Pablo, is that an old car wash or a new car wash?
Well, these are not too old. I don't know how old they are.
Pal, is it blowing to our windshield?
It was a while ago.
Pal, can I watch it through the car if they come through? Pal, can we go back this way?
Yeah.
Pal, how wet it is. Pal, can I wait at the double car wash?
I ain't gonna wait long.
Pablo, is it swinging to our car? No, it's not now. Pablo, how many leaves are in the car? Pablo, can I do your call? Pal, can I do your call?
Do what?
Can I do your call?
My car?
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna wash today.
No, I mean, can I do your call when we go back home?
No, your mom don't want you driving my car, Max.
Pal, why?
I can tell she don't want. Well, she's afraid you'll have an accident. She's afraid you'll pull it in gear.
Pablo, is my mom back?
Yeah.
Pal, why is he back already?
Because she's only going to stay gone a half hour, I think.
Pablo, is it shaking?
Is it what?
Is the car wash shaking?
No.
Pal, why?
It's not. It's too strong, I guess.
Pal, is it doing a good job? Pablo, is one of them stopped up?
I can't tell.
You can tell when it comes back. No, you got the ultimate. Oh, yep, he did. The tire scrubber's moving. Oh, 10%. Pablo, do you have a charger in here? Yeah, you do have a charger, but I don't know it will fit on his phone. No, don't fit. Ouch. Ouch. Pablo, can we watch more get washed? Pablo, is it doing a good job on that white car?
Mm-hmm.
Pablo, can I watch him get dried? So quiet in here right now. Pal, why is he not pulling up? There we go. Pablo, why did he stay until the ball was stopped? That's doing a good job. Pal, what are you doing? Pal, is you doing a good job?
Looks like it got pretty clean.
Pal, why did it got pretty clean? Pal, can we watch cars tomorrow? Pal, why? Pal, why, Papa?
We ain't gonna watch them every day.
Pal, what we're gonna do tomorrow?
At home probably.
Pal, why did Shujo didn't go into the pool? Pablo, did Ashwin College did it did a good job on washing, Pablo? Pal, why, Pablo? Pal, is it doing a good job? Pal, can we wait for us to stop drying? Don't pull it in you. Still blow? Pal, why is it still blowing? It's still blowing. Shouldn't be blowing. Now let's go. Pablo, is that blower loud or quiet?